Learn English. Hello, everyone. Here are the two words for today. Number one is something we use every day. Correct. Number two, will you drive? Or backwards. Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. Will you buy a new computer? Will you buy a new computer? Computer. Will you buy a new computer? Or are you happy with the one you have? Now we can make a flashcard for computer and remember it forever. Please make a card like this. Write computer up here in the top left corner. COMPUTER. Down here, N1. This means noun, level 1. And over here, the number 44 out of 200. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Come. Pew. Ter. Remember, the J sounds like a Y. Ya. Computer. Number two, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer runs forward every day. Jennifer runs forward every day. Forward. And we also say forwards with an S. She runs in the direction of the area in front of her. She doesn't run backwards or sideways. Now we can make a flashcard for forward and forwards. The opposite that way is backward or backwards. And on the beach near the ocean, the crab walks sideways every day. Please make a card like this. The basic form, to do something, forward or forwards. Down here, the code, ADV1. This means adverb, level 1. Over here, the number 14 out of 42. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. For. Word or words. Both are correct. Game over. You did very well today. And if you're high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Number 1 is an opportunity. Chance. Correct. Number 2, noun idiom. This is an idiom of 2 words or more, but altogether they are a noun. And what does Jennifer do every day? She curls. Yeah, with a U. She curls her hair. Today is Saturday, September 13th. Please write your language on the other side of the card. My name is Vinny from Canada. If you like this, please share. See you tomorrow.